Any business that sells goods or offers services needs to set their pricing so they will be able to make a profit. Retail price, or selling price, is what a customer pays for a product. The retail price is made up of two basic components: cost of the product and markup. Markup is the amount of money added to the product's cost so that the seller will make enough money to cover expenses and hopefully generate some profit. You can express markup in terms of dollars or as a percent. In practice set 4, found on page 12, problem number 1 says find the selling price of a torque wrench which costs $25.80 and has a markup rate of 18%. To find the selling or the retail price, we'll go with the generic formula, which is cost plus markup. In this problem, they indicate what the cost is, but they give us the markup not as an exact value, but as a percentage. So the first thing we have to determine is the markup. To find the markup, it's found when markup rate is given as a percent by taking the cost times that markup rate. So for this particular problem, we'll take the cost of the wrench, $25.80, and times it by the markup rate of 18%. Converting the percent into an equivalent decimal, moving the decimal place 2 to the left, gives us 0.18. Multiply gives us $4.644. And to put this number expressed as proper cents, we're going to round to the hundredths place value, so our markup is going to be $4.64. Filling in our selling price, then we can complete that calculation. Our cost of $25.80 plus the markup we just determined is a dollar amount of $4.64 adds up to a price of $30.44 for the selling or retail value. In problem number 4, it says if it costs a movie theater 20 cents to make a large container of popcorn and they sell it for $1.90, what is their markup rate? So in this problem, we're given the cost, we're given the selling price, and they're not asking us only for the markup, they're asking us for the markup rate. So identifying the given information and filling in those values into our formula for selling price, which is cost plus markup, we'll see what we have. Selling price of $1.90 is equal to the cost, 20 cents, plus the unknown markup. To solve for that markup, we'll subtract 20 cents from each side. $1.90 minus 20 leaves us with a markup of $1.70. Well, the problem is after the markup rate, and to determine the markup rate, we'll use the formula for finding markup. Markup, which we just determined, is found by taking the cost times the markup rate. Replacing these terms with the values that we know, the markup or the additional amount added to the cost was determined to be $1.70. The cost of the popcorn is 20 cents, and what we don't know is that markup rate. Solving for the markup rate, which is multiplied by the 20 cents, we will divide both sides to cancel out the multiplication. $1.70 divided by 20 cents leaves us with 0.85, which is our missing value, which is that markup rate. The only thing is rate generally is expressed as a percentage. So I'm going to move my decimal over 2 to the right to convert my decimal into a percent. And it appears that our markup rate is 850%.